Welcome to My Home Hub. Today I'll show you how you can replace your broken exterior car door garnish or trim in just a few minutes. First, you want to order your garnish or trim for your specific model car. Mine's a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe, and if you shop around you can always find a good price for these parts. The garnish trim will come with an assortment of clips, screws and adhesive padding. Slot in all your clips to the back of the cover until they snap into place. Once done, pop the adhesive padding sticky side down over the far ends of the garnish trim where the main screw clips will go. This garnish trim also has a couple of small extra clips like this one, which easily screw into their pilot holes. Now these black clips actually screw through the car door, which you'll see later on. In the meantime, also just slot these ones in like this. Unscrew the top of the clips that come through the back of your car door, which you may need to use some pliers or a spanner to loosen. Now just pull off the broken garnish trim. Grab some pliers to twist the old clips up and then pull out. Give the area a wipe with a wet rag. Now line up the new garnish trim and it should pop right on. You can use your hand or a rubber mallet to knock it into place. Screw the nuts back on that come through the back of the door. Tighten with a spanner or pliers and you're done. Thanks for visiting My Home Hub. Consider liking, sharing and subscribing for more reviews and how-to videos. And until next time, happy garnishing.